We're going to talk about kitchen design today because it's very important as your third year students going out. When we talk about kitchen design, we are talking about getting efficiency. And that before you plan a kitchen, as you see on the PowerPoint presentation, it's important to understand its goals and its objectives. So what are the goals? What do you want from this kitchen? What are the objectives in relation to the market that you are looking at? For example, if you're designing for McDonald's, it's a very different market, a very different kitchen design than if it was for a Michelin star restaurant. You also need to know how many you're going to serve, the numbers that you intend to serve, and if you're going to turn the tables round more than once in a sitting. So you've got to look at all these various aspects. And what comes first is the menu, is the market. You know, we've talked about the market, we've talked about people, and this is very, very important that we get this right. Can we also say that services, gas, electricity, and water are very important because you've got to know where the services are. Many people try to put electric kitchens in, but there isn't enough power supply, or there isn't enough water supply. So it's very important that you look at where are the services, where are the gas, electricity, and water. When we look at planning a kitchen, we always have got to look at staff, where we are in terms of our staffing. The number and skill level of the staff, the company tends to employ, so the type of people you tend to employ, must remember the skills level. So if for example, you're not employing highly skilled staff, highly skilled chefs, then you've got to look at the level of equipment you need that will help them. So today we've got a lot of technology employed in kitchens where it can be easily managed, and we can have timers on cookers, we can have temperature control, and this helps the inexperienced chef or the less skilled staff very much to help them through this process. Equipment can also replace labor-intensive operations. So, for example, we can have lots of labor-saving equipment. So you've got to think about that. Now, kitchens are becoming smaller because they take up a lot of space, and it's much better to have a larger restaurant and a smaller kitchen because you're going to make the money in the restaurant. It's all about getting people through and the volume that you're going to take and the revenue.